Good morning, CDT day 120, and we were just waking up at camp. We had this beautiful stream running right by us, but also we have this amazing prehistoric looking camping area. There's all these geysers and geyser smoke out here, and in the background, and then in the foreground, I see at least two bison grazing. So we got one, whoa, finger. Right over there. And another one, where are we? Right over there. So cool. There's like geyser smoke for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there just looks like dozens in the background as well. That is pretty incredible. So that's our view this morning. And this is camp. So we cowboy camped last night. Just got a fire going for now to warm us up. Everybody's covered in frost and ice. But yeah, that's our cowboy camp. And a beautiful stream. So I'm going to warm everything up as much as possible and then pack up, have some breakfast, and get out. We have a 21 and some change road walk to West Yellowstone today. And there we're going to get a room, and I'm going to have the Wi-Fi to upload all my YouTube videos and everything and call people, hopefully. And then we will be into Montana tomorrow, as well as Idaho. We'll be into Montana, then into Idaho, then back into Montana tomorrow, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, for now, I'm going to enjoy this beautiful scenery. It is 9:40 a.m. on Tuesday, August 27th. We are on the move to West Yellowstone, on trail and service road for about a mile, maybe 2, and then it's road walking the rest of the way, all the way into West Yellowstone for a total of about 21 miles and a little bit of change, maybe 21.1, something like that. A nice break spot in between is Madison Campground, so I'm really hoping that they'll have potable water, a privy, or some form of toilets. It's a national park, so I would hope they have flush toilets. And maybe talk to some campers, see if we can yogi some food or something. But either way, a nice little break spot in between on the way into town. Check that out. Hot spring just going right into the river. That's a steamy boy.
So much.
See the hawk up there? Pretty awesome. Look at those falls. See the rainbow? This place is absolutely gorgeous. Look how tall these canyon walls are. Oh my god! I haven't seen something like this since the Gila. By the way, this is the Firehole River, so it has warmer water than usual. I don't think it has hot water, but it has contributions from hot springs, so it's warmer than average trout waters in the park. So we're gonna see where the Firehole meets the Madison, where warm water meets cold water, and they clash. But let me see if I can get a good look at this. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yellowstone, the first national park. And she is a beauty.
Hey, that's cool.
I don't know if they would be or not. There's where the Firehole River meets the Madison River. Warm waters halt, cold water. So now we got a nice cold stream. And there's the canyons off in the distance. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just had a nice break at the Madison Campground here in Yellowstone. There is a water fountain, so I was able to fill up some potable water that'll take me the rest of the way to town. Also have some flush toilets here, so that was nice to be able to use. Everybody just left while I went to the bathroom. I also got rid of some of my trash, which is great. So I'm going to go catch up with them now and continue this road walk. Looks to be about 15 miles to town, which should hopefully be about 5 hours. Get there around 5:30 p.m., maybe 6, just in time for dinner. Check out the elk. Hey, you little one. How you doing? Hey, we got ourselves a great blue heron at work. Go get him, buddy. Beautiful area. Looks like I'm starting to get out of some of the big hills, mountains, and such. Oh, I might be headed into some flat. Well, there you have it, folks. I have just entered the state of Montana. Woo! Let's go! Alright, I am now leaving Yellowstone National Park. Had a great time there, though, so I'm really happy. Also, right over there is West Yellowstone, so I am very close to a McDonald's. I can already see the sign. I am so pumped. Alright, see you later, Yellowstone. It was a good time. Here you have it, folks. Entering West Yellowstone, and more importantly, Montana. Wyoming is all done, baby. Alright. This is a pretty interesting looking town. Have a lot of like these old style places with the shining neon arrows and stuff, and some wooden structures. Even the McDonald's looks like a big fancy wood structure over there. They've got an IMAX theater over here. Just past the visitor center right here. Ranger station, tons of inns and suites. I see a Haagen-Dazs sign. Is there actually a Haagen-Dazs ice cream store here? There's an old train car. It's crazy. There's a lot more stuff here than I expected, but it is a tourist town right outside the park, so that's a granted. Well, I'm gonna go to McDonald's, wait for everybody to catch up to me, because I was the fastest. And then we'll go get a room at the Ho Hum Motel. Should be a good time. Alright, got myself 20-piece nuggets, large fry, large chocolate shake, and 2 Big Macs. I think that ought to do it for now. Alright, we got a room at the old Ho Hum, so we got a nice room here. We got all of our stuff splayed out as hikers usually do. Some resupply boxes and stuff, a couple beds. Nice setup here. And of course beer in the fridge. Sinks and bathroom, so everything's pretty tip top. I'm loving it here. And the carpet is actually really soft, so I'm going barefoot. It's very nice. So, oh, look who's cracking it open. Oh wait, could you show this beer? So Jesus was showing me this beer from a place where he lived in Oregon. So this is called Trail Beer.
Yep, 10 barrel from Bend, Oregon. Pete Alport took this photo.
And
Mount Bachelor, represent.
Right by Mount Bachelor, so he actually knows the guy who took the photo of that beer, so that's pretty sweet. So yeah, now just charging everything up, charge up my new battery, which is going pretty well so far, except for like one issue that I'm trying to work out. In reach, I get that charged up, and then of course my phone, get the YouTube videos good to go, and that's about it. So we're gonna hang out here for the night, and have some beer and relax. We also have Girly Girl's bounce bucket with a resupply. Check this thing out, covered in stars. She sends it around to what, pretty much every town that you go to.
Yeah, I have a straightening iron. I have a dress. If you're a female hiker, you should get this Arc'teryx dress. It only weighs 3 ounces.
Little plug for Arc'teryx there.
Get that dress.
Yeah, right. 3 ounces. I'll take that dress. Yes. So Girly Girl got her trail name because she is a girly girl on the trail. So she brings makeup. She's got town shoes, dress, and straightener, and all this stuff in her bounce bucket. Tide Pods, detergent, all kinds of stuff. So it's a pretty cool way to do resupply, actually, because she just informed me that this is what, $20 to send that around. Yeah, you can get the priority mail flat rate box. Like the biggest one is like a third of the size of this, and it's also $20. So that's pretty cool if you're looking to do some resupply stuff for much cheaper. This is a great option, and you can get all kinds of stuff in there. So that's pretty cool.
And you can decorate it.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm messing around with a resupply, and that's about it. All right, so final stats for the day. Looks like we did roughly about 22 miles. We don't know exactly because the trail is just on, we're pretty much on paper. Oh, thank you. Some mayonnaise. The trail is pretty much on paper maps now, so it's just estimates. But we're looking at about 22 miles today, 20 of which were road walking, and left the national park, left Wyoming for the last time. And now we're in Montana, so that's pretty awesome. Elevation profile, again, I do not know because I don't have that anymore. So we won't have elevation profiles in my stats for the next, I think like week and a half until we get to Butte, which is back on the CDT. So coming up will be, I believe, 3 to 4 straight days of road walking, and then get pumped. Our next town from here in West Yellowstone is Ennis, just a small town on the road, and that's about 71 miles from here. Then there'll be another town called Whitehall, and then Butte. So 71 miles, we're hoping to do about 3 days. And so we'll do like a 3-day resupply, and it'll just be road walking and road walking. Camping will be interesting since I don't believe that we'll be near any public land, so we'll have to figure that out. Hopefully it's not too difficult, but there is a river that runs along the entire highway that we'll be walking, so water sources should be prevalent. Yeah, other than that, I'm going to get to drinking, and that is the end of the night, so I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Thanks for watching.